Hello and welcome to this episode of Keek Will Cook It. Today I'm going to be making chicken fried rice. So the first step is to measure out the rice. I'm going to do 2 cups of this. This comes with the rice cooker, this little thing. 2 of these. This will be enough for probably I don't know, 2 meals. Have one now and have one later. Put them in. Right, now to wash it. Chimney crickets. Right, I like to wash. Filling it up, 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 and then swirl it around and around and around and around and around and around. Keep swirling around and around and around and around and around and around. Okay, and then we drain. Drain, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Drain, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, God, I've got a snotty nose. I'm going to have to do the undesirable. Oh, yeah. We wash that away. Okay. Get more water in there. I don't really wash the rice too thoroughly. I mean, I've done it before where I haven't washed it at all, and there's not a lot of difference with this rice. It's just some basmati rice. Basmati. Drain, drain, drain. Let's get the deleting. Right, okay, and now, okay, so there's some shit on the side. Fill it up to that shit on the side where it says 2. Can't really see it too well. There's not a lot of light in this kitchen. A little bit more. Philly, Philly, Philly. Okay. Good for you, buddy. Got the rice in the rice cooker. Put the lid on. Switch it on, and then it says to do some shit. I don't know. I just flick it down, and that always works for me. All right. For my chicken fried rice, I've got some boneless frozen chicken thighs from a Tesco goes. Tesco goes. Please focus. Oh my goodness Christ, you are so poopy doopy. Yep. I like the frozen ones just because well, it doesn't go fucking off, does it? What I do with these is I'll get myself a plate. Move out the way. And then, oof, I don't know. Let's just do 2 fucking thighs. Why not, man? Why the fuck not? I'm already fat. Can't get any fatter. Now, let's spin. Spin me, baby, right, baby, right. Then I'm just gonna toss this in the microwave. Stick on defrost, and then just stick it on for a bit. Chicken back in the freezer. Right. Berry picking basket, and I know more berries. Okay. I will see you when the chicken is defrosted and the rice is cooked, so we can then make chicken fried rice. Right, the chicken is done defrosting. I want an onion in my fried rice because I like onion. So let's chop this up first before we do the chicken. So choppity chop, top off the bottom on the top like this. Then I just cut it in half like so. Then you skin it like this. Bam. And a wham. Thank you, nanny mammy. There we gather up all the shit. Stick it in our little food waste bin to go outside in the compost. I can go in there second. Now, do I want to slice these or do I want to dice these? Let's do it a dicey, shall we? So, I like to cut it so you leave a little bit at the end. I haven't done a very good job because I'm trying to stay out of the way of the camera. About something like that. And then you come back and then do it like this. Ugh. This onion's being a bit homosexual. And like falling apart on me. Whatever. Flip it around like this. That piece, fuck you. That piece, fuck you. Okay, we won't actually fuck this piece, it's quite big. Well, I like to fuck big things. Big old thingies. Right, that one. Right. Whatever. Choppity woppity doppity. Your mum's on my cockety. Yeah. Doesn't matter if they're fucking equal or not. I'm not doing a 5-star fucking Michelin suck me cock anything like that, am I? So who gives a shit? Right. Let's stick it in the frying pan. There we go. Right! Move that out of the way. Now, time for the chicken. Alright. I'm just gonna do like strips or some shit. Just gonna cut it. Like so. Fucking hell. What am I doing? The main thing is just look, if you don't cut yourself, it's a win. That's just how this works. Still a little bit frozen, but doesn't really matter fucking too much, does it now? Does it now? Choppity choppily, come on. Yep. Chop. Still waiting for the rice to cook anyway, so not too much of a rush. Plenty. Brilliant. Lovely. Let that defrost the rest of the way on the chopping board. I'm just going to pre-salt it. I don't know. I never do this, but fuck it. I don't know. Yeah. Some salt. Why not? Now I need to wash my little greasy handy. In a sec. Right. Sync it up. Okay. Right. Fry these onions. Turn this on. I've already got oil in it. Fry these bad boys up until they are translucent. This piece right here this piece right here. This is like an end piece, yeah. So you can see it right here. I'm just gonna fucking bin this because it's tough and shit, and I don't like tough shit. I don't want soft shit like I had this morning. Fucking hell, it was right out of me. Okay, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Meo di noche. Mierda. Meo di noche. I don't like foreigners in my country. I only want the good ones. Kick 'em out, get 'em out. I don't want to pay no more money for them. Get 'em out, kick 'em out, fuck 'em out, get 'em out. The hot woman can stay. As long as they marry an Englishman. Fucking hell. That's just how God intended it. Okay, I'm gonna finish frying these onions. Right, okay, right. That's all I ever bloody say. Right, okay. Right. I've got some eggs and shit. You know, all my ingredients right here. We've got some eggs. We've got some MSG. We've got some garlic granules. We've got some soy fucking pussy shit. We've got some salt, pepper. I mean, the rice, we don't fucking need that anymore, obviously. Okay, yeah, onions are cooking up nicely. I'll see you guys in a second after I've cooked the onions. Well, I'll explain it. I'll cook the onions, I'll take them out, and then I'm gonna cook the chicken. But you don't fucking need to see that. I'll see you when the rice is done and all the fucking shit's in the pan. So yeah, go fuck yourself. Whatever.
Keek will cook it. Damn, Keek, I've been chopping up. Keek's gonna suck that sausage down. Find that toe jam, spread it on bread. I am calorie dense. Watch me rumble. Down on my knees, licking up milk. Keek will cook it. Keek will cook it. Keek will cook it. Keek will cook it. Oh, my chub is growing for Keek. Got my pants looking like there's a leak. Damn, this Grootsy is so peak. I'm gonna look so fleek. No, please, don't call me a freak. I am just a retarded Keek. A sad retard called Keek might look rather meek. Though give me a second and I'll extend my belly till the earth is sent to helly below. Oh, Keek will cook it good. Oh, Keek will cook it fine. He will suck you dry and leave you high. Oh, Keek will cook. I'm a retarded hoe, but I got feelings too. Ha 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 ha. Got a scrotum sack on my chin, prailing like Zazumin. No brains in my balls. Just shit come. Please give me your views.
Rice still cooking. Chicken and onion done. Okay, calm down, non-touched you, mate. Oh yeah. Turn the heat back on. We'll crack a few eggies in. Get them done, while the rice is still going, and then fucking just do a little crack. That's one. Dogs be eating chicken meat. Need to eat their babies too. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Fucking hell, come on. Ah, no shelf, even though I fucked it. Ooh, let's just do fucking 3, I guess. I mean, why not? Do a 4. Go on. Ah, don't stab me. Shell port back. Chickens are really hard done, aren't they? I mean, like, we stick them in cages, we eat them, and then we eat their children. Well, I know they're unfertilized, but yeah, I mean, we take their eggs before they can be fertilized and then just eat them, and it's just probably the most hard done animal we own. Oh well, that's their long life, isn't it? Fuck them. Alright, scrape it all down. Break it all up. Yep. I don't give a shit if egg fried rice is going to be made in a wok. And like you're meant to do it over high heat and shit. It's just suck my cock, man. Maybe that's how they do it in traditional China, Ching Chong China, but I'm not in Ching Chong China. I'm in the UK. Formerly the UK. Before all these people moved here. Hopefully we can make it the UK once again. Okay, I'll say that's pretty fucking good enough. You don't want to overcook the eggs because then they go all sulfury and shit. So I'm gonna put them in with the bowl of the rice and the chicken. Just preparing it all so when the rice is done, I can just stick it all together nice and easily. Not sure if I want to put any vegetables in this. I have got like I don't even know. I think I've got mixed vegetable in the fridge. Nah. See your cunts in a bit. Right. The rice is cooked. I know, again, traditionally, Ching Chong China, it's going to be leftover rice, it's going to be cold shit. And, like, normally, yeah, fuck it, I do that shit, but I'm hungry today. I didn't really think about what I was going to have. So the rice is literally only just done cooking, and we're just going to fry it up instantly. Who gives a shit how you're meant to do it? I've done this in the past. It always tastes good. It always feels good. So it's just like, well, what's the point? You know? If this tastes good, like I can't even tell a appreciable difference a lot of the time, then why would I go through the extra effort, you know? Really. It's not my tradition, is it? If it was my tradition, my country tradition, then maybe I would give a shit, but it's not my country tradition. Why should I give a shit? Same with Eid and all this other bullshit, man. Like every year they're always like, oh, in the UK they're like, oh, Eid, oh. It's like, I just don't care, man. I don't even know what religion it's from, to be honest. Or is it Muslim? Who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Love me UK. Love me rice. Hate me foreigners. Right, I mean it's gonna be a bit mushy to be fair. Maybe the traditionalists got something on this one. Maybe they got one over on me. But oh well. Maybe I'll just fry it for a bit longer and hope it yeah. Don't think I should add as much rice. Oh well, I'll sort it out by just frying it on a high heat and dry some moisture out, I guess. I don't fucking know. See what happens, spray some oil. Okay, a bit of oil. Add a nice, generous serving of MSG. Add some salt. Add some pepper. Only a little bit of pepper. I'll add the soy soy in a bit. Mix it up. Turn it over. Don't get me wrong. Maybe we lived in a different world where England was respected and our English culture was respected. I respect other people's culture, but at the moment, if they don't respect us, why should I respect them? Who gives a shit? That cat. I thought I had a cat. Little kitty cat baby boy. I'm kind of going off on a tangent now. I mean, you know, if you're still here, then you probably agree. If not, I guess you just don't care. Right. Right. Okay. I mean, that seems like okay to me. I'll add this in. I didn't film it, but I did add some soy sauce to the chicken as I was cooking it. And once this is done, I'll go watch something when I'm eating it. Maybe I'll watch, I don't know, Buffy the Long Slut get on my cock, or 28 Cunts Later, or I don't know. A lot of modern easy shit now. Stir this up. Try and get rid of the clumps. I mean, I think the clumps is going to be there because of how I cook the rice. But again, like, this is going to taste good. So it doesn't really matter too much. Add the soy sauce. That. And then we'll add some garlic granules on top as well. I do like myself some garlic. Brilliant stuff. That's pretty enough. Maybe a bit too much. But I like garlic, so it doesn't matter to me. Because I'm a bit French in that way. Not that I actually am a bit French. And I don't want to be associated with them either. Alright, this video is a shout out to my homeboy Boots. He requested more cooking videos. I think this cooking video is about done. I've gone on some rants, and some tangents. Made a fool out of myself as normal. Don't really give a shit. Think what you want, do what you want. Suck me cock, suck me ass. Let's call it there, I think. Oh, well, maybe I'll taste a bit. Like, let's just scoop out a bit and stick it in this bowl for now. And then let that cool down a little bit so I can taste it. For the rest of this, shit is going. Press it down. There we go, whatever. Fucking ad. It's hot. It's good. You get the umami-ness from the MSG. You get the garlickiness from the garlickiness. Good. I mean, it just tastes like an egg fried rice, basically. Chicken. Maybe not like you get from Chinese, maybe a little bit like that, but you know, they have mysterious ways of cooking. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, I thought the chicken was going to be overcooked, but it's not, actually. Quite good. Yeah. lovely. I'm looking forward to eating this. Well, of course I am. Look at me. I look forward to eating everything. Fucking hell. Right, I'll see you cunts next time. Tell me what you want to see next. Still got to do that lawnmower, but it's just shit weather, and I don't really want to be doing it in shit weather. Alright. Peace out.